You're here with the Mouse Vibes, and we're at Universal Studios Hollywood for the Rope Drop Challenge. My goal is simple. I want to see how many attractions I can ride in 1 hour. I'm here 15 minutes before the park opens, and honestly, it's pretty quiet. But we are here on a peak day with extended hours, but if it stays like this, I think we discovered a new hack. Here we go, we're queuing up. We're here 10 minutes before the park officially opens, but they're already letting guests in. The rules are simple though. Once we enter through the turnstile, that's when the timer starts. So let's get checked in and try to get on some rides here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you.
Alright, you're turning on the scanner to your light turn screen. Come on in.
Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Start the timer. It is officially began. Let's head down to the lower lot. My goal today is to hit the entire lower lot first. There's 4 total attractions down there.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for them.
There's actually more attractions on the upper lot, but the tricky thing is that the Minions section with Super Silly Funland doesn't open until 10 a.m., which is 1 hour into the park being open.
That's no good for us today.
So we're gonna go head down to the lower lot right now, try to get on the best attractions. We're actually in the park 8 minutes early. I gotta love that. Starting things on the right foot, and no one is here. It is super empty right now. This is the hack right here. All right, checking in on the wait times. Everything is a walk-on except for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. And the reason that is that there's extended hours. You can actually get into the park 1 hour before time. What we want to do today is hit up Mario Kart last. So if I jump in line maybe to end the day, single rider status, we might be able to get on it. So even though that we're here a little bit early, it looks like they're holding everyone up so they can't go down to the lower lot just yet. So this is gonna be the line for everyone headed down to the lower lot. So officially 5 minutes before, and this is all the people headed down to the lower lot. They're holding everyone here right now.
1 minute later.
A little bit of a traffic jam. This is everyone taking the escalator today. Can you take the stairs? Oh. So informed you can't take the stairs, no stair use, you have to take the escalators. That's gonna eat a little bit of our time. I didn't realize I just hopped out of line, so jumping back into this massive line of people to go to the lower lot. There you go, it's 8:59. A lot has happened in the last few minutes. We're back at the end of the line. It's a major bottleneck to get down to the lower lot right now, so hopefully it doesn't need that much time. And it looks like there's no stair use on the second level as well as there's another team member over here making sure nobody goes down the stairs. So back down this escalator. Honestly, it didn't take that long. It's only 9:03 right now, so just 5 minutes to get through that massive herd of people on our way down to the lower lot. Also, check out my hat. Comment down below if you know what this hat is from. It's from a movie. You can answer it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You don't understand. This is an Alaya.
And a what?
It's like a totally important designer.
And a what?
Gotta love Clueless. Love that movie. Everyone is making their way over to Super Nintendo World to get on Mario Kart. I'm taking the path less traveled. I'm gonna go over to Jurassic World. It's a 5-minute wait, which means it's probably a walk-on and a great way to get your day started. So my strategy is pretty clear. There's 4 total rides down here, like I was saying. Hopefully the other 3 are walk-ons just like this. So you can go Jurassic World, Mummy, Transformers, and then hop in line for Mario Kart. That's the plan. Hopefully it works today. It looks a little bit busy in Super Nintendo World, but look at this. Not a single person.
Who knows? Who may be watching you?
Hello and welcome.
Yes, please.
Wherever you want.
Thank you so much.
Going to embark on an amazing adventure. You will be
And that's what a walk-on looks like. Yes. It's 9:10. In 10 minutes, we were able to get down to the lower lot and get on our first attraction. It's 9:16. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. 16 minutes, we made our way all the way to the lower lot, got on our first attraction. That was awesome. Let's head to the Mummy. All right. 9:18. A good amount of time has been wasted. Not wasted, I guess you just getting down to the lower lot, getting on that ride. That ride, you actually get your money's worth. It's a long attraction. It's a good or bad thing for today since we're trying to see how much we can do in the first hour. We're going right across the way to the Mummy. Let's go see Imhotep. All right, noob alert, I totally forgot about this. I have a backpack, which you're not allowed to have a backpack to get on the Mummy, so I have to spend a little bit of time getting a locker. It's a free rental, but I have to still put it in here. Rookie mistake. All right, 624. Here we go. It's all in there. In total, that was super harmless. It took 20 seconds for me to rent a locker. Not any waste of time at all. That was super simple. We're gonna get in the Mummy right now. We're actually gonna take advantage of the single rider as well. This is a complete walk-on right now. We're gonna get through this super quickly. That's an instant walk-on. Literally 1 minute. 1 minute to get on the ride. That literally was a walk-on. 1 minute to rent our locker, walk on through the attraction, and get on. This is awesome.
Serve me and savor the riches of eternal life, and join us in eternal death. Come day, now your souls belong to me.
7 total minutes to get on the ride, go through the entire thing, and get unloaded. Just to give you a little bit of a heads up, they're only running 1 cart in the morning, so it does take a little bit of time to get on and off the attraction, but that was harmless. Let's go pick up our backpack, get on the next ride, which will be Transformers, and we're actually running through this pretty quickly. It's about half the time right now, and we've already gotten 2 of the biggest attractions done. Well, as life usually has it, life doesn't really care about your plans, and our plan to go to Transformers is temporarily on hold. The ride is temporarily closed right now. Go figure. We're gonna try to head right into Super Nintendo World, get into single rider queue for the new Mario Kart Challenge ride. Hopefully it goes by fast so we can get on this ride, but that really put a damper in things.
The Autobots need to get their stuff together.
So it looks like right now they're letting all the people who have a virtual queue into the lane right now. They're holding up our line just right now. That makes sense. So secure your virtual queue. We didn't do that. Another rookie mistake. In time check, it is currently 9:33. So, oh, here we go. They're letting us in. Holy crap, this land is packed already. This is insane. There's a massive line for every installation over here to play all the games, but we're not playing games today. We're just focused on the rides. We're gonna head over to Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Hopefully the single rider line is empty. This is where the standby is. We're gonna go single rider and go this way. All right, we are just walking into the single rider queue for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. It's currently 9:35. Comment down below how long do you think it's gonna take us to get through this line today. People are actually leaving the line, which probably isn't a good sign. Insane line. Hopefully the single rider queue isn't as bad. We're walking through, but it's all kind of hidden in the indoor section. All right, here's our stand stop right over here. We're about to head into the indoor section of the queue. Finally moving down to the lower level of the queue. Held up right over here again. We have 8 minutes to get on this attraction. Heck yeah. Secured. Here we go. That took just 22 minutes to get through line. Not bad considering it's 120 minutes for the normal line. I can't believe we made it. It's 10 a.m. and we're next to go on the attraction. By the way, we're playing theme park rules. As long as you're lined up and queued in before the time, it still counts. So this is gonna be our 3rd attraction in 1 hour. Just tapped our band. We brought it just in case so I can collect points. Time to put a visor up.
Now I look awesome.
know, the Mario Kart attraction is definitely 5 vibes. I always forget how much fun that ride is. I had the high score in the kart, 120 coins, one-handed I might add you. That was a personal best for me, and what a great way to wrap up our challenge. We were here for over an hour, got on 3 rides. I honestly feel like if I planned this out a little bit better, like didn't bring the backpack to rent the locker, got the early admittance for the virtual queue for Super Nintendo World. Oh, and then Transformers also being down. Like, I feel like we could have done 4 rides, but comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Should I have taken the upper lot and done the attractions on the upper lot? How many attractions can you guys get on in 1 hour? All right, and that's gonna wrap up our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood and wrapping up the rope drop challenge. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.